Hey guys, I'm 10 now, and like, I haven't made a video in a really long time, and I'm sorry, probably nobody watching, but like, yeah, I know. Guys, just, I did make something. It is a plastic switchblade. It's not done yet, but. One second. Cool, right? Yeah, I took it apart. So, one second. I'll get the contraption ready again. I don't know how to, because I'm a freaking idiot, and I did know, but I don't know now because I forgot how to. I'm a freaking idiot. Okay, there we go. Nope, it's not tight enough. Gosh darn it. Go check out Noah Williams, because he was the original guy that had this idea. I modified it to my extent. Like, I think the contraption is different. And so, like, yeah, go like his videos and subscribe. And so, like, fold it down here, so it, like, goes in. And then it, like, God, fuck. It's kind of cool. Oh, come on. I just, like, took the whole freaking knife apart. Just easy to do. My gosh. I don't know why, but I like doing this. It's cool. Probably don't want to see this. I'm not going to edit because, like, I don't have any editing equipment. I would use Cane Master, but I don't have that right now. I don't know why. I took my phone away. I don't actually really use Cane Master that much. I usually oh my God. God. I swear. Almost like CrossFit or something. And I did it on the complete wrong side! My God, I'm an idiot. I was doing good there. I was doing good, Sonny. Doing good. I'm just gonna watch Thomas the Train memes after this. You know what? Not even watch that. Just memes. Just memes. Plain old memes. Who doesn't like plain old memes? Everybody likes plain old memes. I mean, who doesn't like plain old me? I don't know a single person in my life who doesn't like plain old memes. Except my grandparents. Maybe my mom. She only likes Instagram and Facebook animal advice memes. That's okay, and this is what it looks like all put together. Isn't that nice now, isn't it? Goodbye! Yep, thanks. I live in Oregon. Probably shouldn't have said that. Bye!